Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup video. I didn't talk in my last makeup video, so I'm going to be talking in this makeup video. So hopefully I can give you guys a balance of non-talking and talking videos. Please do let me know which ones you prefer, because I thought about filming silent videos, but I tend to make lots and lots of shorts which don't have any, voice either, like voiceover or anything like that. I usually just play music over them, so if you do prefer me making talking videos, do let me know and I will give you that type of content. Today is going to be a really pretty cute makeup look, especially for summer, since I haven't done a summer one in like a year and summer has come around again, so I do want to make lots of summery looks. And if you're wondering why there's like oil here, it's because I put on my ordinary oil. That's why my face might look a bit greasy. It's not greasy, it's just fresh oil. Oh, I'm gonna start off, excuse the red mark. I'm gonna start off with the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the shade 400 Natural Beige. I always pump it at the back of my hand because if I put it right on my face directly, I just feel like I like to just put a certain amount on each area of my face. So I like to just, oh, gotta move my hair. I like to just like see where about I need it and just blend it all in. I like this. I usually wear less foundation now because I don't feel the need to wear loads. Like sometimes if I feel like wearing a lot of foundation I will, but I don't really feel like wearing a lot these days, which is really weird because I do love wearing makeup and I love doing a full face of makeup. And nowadays it's just like the less. I feel more confident with less because my skin is clear and I have a really good skincare routine as of now. Like my skincare routine has evolved my skin, like it just makes it look really good and my skin is a lot more healthier and happier when it can breathe. So I've gone really less on foundation. Like I kind of put out a lot now because it's a video, but like in day to day I've been wearing less and less makeup. Like even to work I don't wear as much as I used to. Like I used to wear quite a good bit of makeup to work.
I feel like a damp beauty blender does the trick for everything. Like you don't even need to worry about anything when you have a damp beauty blender. Like your blending will go perfect. Like I used to think about like using foundation brushes. They have never worked for me, but I don't anymore.
Going in with the Revolution baking powder, this gets everywhere. Like
I do like dewy looks, but I want a powder look today. And it's great because even if you blend it out right away, it still does the trick. Like you don't need to worry about leaving it like a bake. This powder is just like sticker off it. Bronze to Paradise. It's a really good bronzer actually. Yeah, so everyone's like gone. I'm the only one in my house at the moment because like my sister's working, mom's on a trip, so I'm just here with Kiddo. Kiddo's inside. It's really plastic in now. It's been long, but it's nice and sunny. It's nice and bright for him to be outside, so he will be okay. And that's just
glowing. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty blush. And people are always, I use a lot of this, but because like my skin is a certain shade where I feel like blush blends into it really, really well. I don't know if it's just like my skin complexion, but
because like that looks like, it doesn't even look like I have anything on. Like, and I know Rare Beauty is super pigmented and I do love that, but I will be using a lot of it because it is super pigmented, but I am just a blushy girl. Like I love really, really blushy looks. And I also I'm gonna go in with the blush powder from Revolution, and I'm so sad that this palette cracked on me. I dropped it and it cracked everywhere. I'm gonna get the same one again because I love it, and I just go over my cheeks with this. But this palette is gorgeous. Like it just makes me look so good. Like, but I'm sad that the red one went because the red one just broke completely, and I use that one a lot, so I was really annoyed because I was like, if I can put it back together I can, but it was just not salvageable at all. Like there was no way I could fix it in the state that it was in. Because it is summer, I really want to do like a bright look. I don't know if it's just me, but I love this Morphe palette. Like the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2 is like my favorite for a pop of color in my makeup. I literally want to get more palettes. Like I will be investing in more makeup because I feel like my makeup looks in a sense are creative, but I feel like they've just all like they all kind of look so similar to me, and I want to do like cool looks. Like I really want to get into the 90s like blue lilac eyeshadow looks. I want to do a lot of those because I feel like if I try something new I might like it and I might get into it. Like it might make me branch out more with my makeup looks. Whereas if I don't and just keep doing the same thing, I feel like I will get so tired of like doing the same makeup look all the time. I'm just gonna go under as well. My eye. Oh my god. Is makeup. Like makeup is like one of my favorite things. I'm gonna blend this out, don't worry, it's not gonna look crazy. I just love makeup and I want to experiment with different looks and colors and obviously new brands. So if you have any really good makeup brands, feel free to recommend them in the comments. Like tell me. I know I only have a certain like amount of people that watch my videos, but if you do have like any really good brands that you're like, oh Shadé, you should try this, or Shadé, you should try that, let me know. If you want thick voluminous lashes, I like mine spread out and kind of cleaner and less thick, so I'm gonna just do my lashes. See how clean this spreads? Like this just this mascara brush is just, if you do run out of your mascaras and you're looking for a way of like keeping the same length and volume, definitely just switch the brush. It doesn't matter what mascara you use. Obviously there are lots of more chemicals and cheaper brands, but like if you can't afford an expensive mascara, just swap the brush out. Like it works so well, like just swap the brush.
Since my lashes are done, the top ones, I'm gonna use this, and this is without it being curled. Like I'm gonna use this thick brush for the curls. And because I absolutely love faux freckles, I'm gonna be doing a bunch. Like I never get tired of them. Like, and if you're like me and you love just beauty marks, get yourself a brown eyeshadow. Like you don't even need to get the freckle thing that people have been using now. Like you just get a brown eyeshadow and just dot them on. That's what I do. And I just use an angled brush, or like I have a little tiny brush, but at the moment I keep losing it, so. Matte by MAC. But this is not working like with this look, or at least I don't think so. So I'm using this She Glam pink. Hopefully it will look a bit better. Like I feel like it's very 1920s. I don't know. I feel like something's missing with it and I don't know what. Maybe it is color. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I will get more creative and experimentative with my makeup looks. I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of content. I make a lot of videos. I want to start doing girly talks, like big sis talks, because I turned 21 in December and I feel like I am a big sister to all of my subscribers. So I would love to make some big sis content for you guys. If you would like to see that, please let me know. Ignore the big pile of clothes on my bed. Yeah.